So today we're going to talk about slime walls compared to traditional ABS sidewalls. You can see here the slime wall is the green section that runs down either side of this kink that we have. Slime walls offer awesome durability against impacts such as rocks and rails, and also slime walls absorb a lot of the little vibrations on the mountain, giving you a super smooth ride. To illustrate the benefits of slime walls, vibration and impact absorption, we're going to compare a quick bounce test against a sheet of blue traditional sidewall ABS plastic versus the yellow slime wall plastic.
We're here in the Seattle R&D facilities destruct freezer, where we do all of our snowboard testing at 0 degrees to make sure that we get the same results as you'll see out on the hill. I'm going to illustrate the difference between the traditional ABS sidewall and a slime wall. You can see the ABS sidewall is pretty rigid. It's got some give, but it's pretty rigid. And then the slime wall, it's actually a flexible urethane slime wall. You can't break these things. You can tie them into knots. Absolutely durable, absorbs vibrations, absorbs impacts, slime walls.